Like to dedicate that thumbnail to Jim. Now we're one of the cool YouTube kids. So I want to talk about this little battery charger power pack thing, and I'll cut right to the chase. Is it $200 cool? Not really, but it does some very cool stuff, so I guess it does get the cool and stuff check mark, but just not the price. So the name, this little guy, they call it the Shargeek.
It's Shargeek. Don't say Shark Week. Shargeek.
I'm not saying shark. See, you don't even know what I'm saying. I'm saying shark. Is it shart?
Oh. Shart means don't trust your farts.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's very true. We know another app that's called the Shart Life app, like it's Smart Life, but that's a whole different thing with a different company.
But the name is Shargeek, not Shargeek.
Shargeek.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
That's how you say it.
So I'm gonna try it out with the little blue Yeti or blue. Probably I'll do probably a whole thing with this, and this is potentially another company that might.
It's called Blue Till. It's called Blue
See, you
Till.
can't even pronounce it.
It's called a Blue Till.
Blue Till. Okay.
Yeah.
It's like a blue tiller. So yeah, we all screw up names here. But the reason I wanted to talk about this guy, and I probably will do a full video thing of this when I did like on solar panels and everything, and it pretty cool little solar generator, even though I kind of hate the name that, it doesn't generate solar, but I guess it's generates power off of solar. But this has a 100-watt charging port, and the cool thing about this is through USB-C, this thing will take a 100-watt charge, plus it can also give a 100-watt charge to, like, if you really have a device that needs that much, like I guess a laptop or something like that.
Don't say it. Say Shargeek.
Okay. Well, we got the peanut gallery all riled up about these damn names. So we've done some clips with some of this and different testings, and we'll just roll straight to it. And if you don't care about watching that, you can just watch the outros or jump down and shoot me a like or dislike or whatever it may be, and catch you in the next one. So roll the clip.
And hit all those buttons, and I'll take care.
And that's it. And I know they kind of pushed that, like Marquise or MKB HD he did. I guess he included in his dope tech thing, and I don't know if it's dope really, but I've been using the hell out of it just to see, is it worth it? Is it even worth putting it on the channel or whatever? Is it a piece of junk? Now, the first thing I will say, it is pretty awesome looking. I don't know if I would say beautiful or exceptional. I don't know. It's pretty great though. They're metal on the ends, but the only thing, this is plastic. We did drop it one time, probably maybe 2 or 3 feet, but luckily it didn't break. That would be my worry, is if this would shatter, but it is pretty slick. So I haven't been able to test the DC output, but let me look and show you here. So you get DC output, which I think you can set the voltage on there. I think I saw the defaulting was 12 volt. You do get the USB-C input and output. That's where you charge it and it goes out. And you get your old school USB-A, if you can kind of see that. But everybody knows what those ports look like. And then you get USB-C out. Now, the wattage on this thing is insane for the size of it. When they do say that it is a 100, I can zoom there, a 100 watt portable power bank, it's pretty damn close. And do you have a lot of stuff that can charge 100 watt USB-C or take a USB-C of 100 watt? Yeah, you do get the little cool, like little display that does light up, if I would press it long enough. And so you get the stuff where it actually shows the temperature. Let's zoom in so the mobile users ain't hating on me too much. So you get the voltage, I guess, of all the batteries, and then the amperage going out, the temperature, runtime. I think you can reset that. And then you get your amperage and voltage in and out. It may be hard to even see that, but see it shows 84. Yeah, if you're old and need some glasses, you will need them to read this little display because those numbers can be very stupid small. So they do also give you this little silicone thing. That's a little silicone wire, pretty high quality. It feels like, and then I guess you're like not like an idiot like me. Don't drop the damn thing. They do give you this cool quality little bag to put it in. Now that's the one thing I will say right off the bat I don't like about this device. With USB-C, it's like, hey, which one charges and which one catches? Don't use that term, Travis. Do not use the pitcher and the catcher. Edit that crap out. Which one's going to receive the charging and which one is going to send the charge? You can't pick that with here. And I couldn't find how to pick that with this either. So it's like plug in and hope. So I'm doing... that's why I say I wish they had a USB-C just out. That way you could force it, and because they do have just a USB-C in. Maybe they could do that with a firmware upgrade or something. And we're going to plug this guy up, or gal, however you want to say it. And I'm going to flip this around. And you can see it start to ramp up, and we're charging at 62 watts out, and you can see it's 20 volts. If my camera's shaking from me touching it, but you can see it's charging at 20 volts at 3 amps, and it's taking the battery power from here and charging this other battery pack up. Kind of wasteful, but I guess if you have power in this and you need it here to do the jumping, I guess you could do that. So we got a 100-watt plug, and turn it on. And look at the PWM fun of here. It's going to drive you nuts. So we got the DC power on. And let's see what check that out. So it's getting charged at 94 watts over USB-C. Almost 20 volts, almost 5 amps. What is the Blue Yeti saying? It is saying it is sending out at 87 watts. I would say Blue Yeti might be slacking a little bit on their calibrations. Let me see if there's I have another. Let's see if I can bring up the EcoFlow. The EcoFlow has a 100 watt as well. Let's check that out. Hold on one second. We're cranking up. These displays are going to drive the camera. Look, 96 watts. So, yeah, 20 volts at 4.69. So the EcoFlow, I think, was running a little higher on the voltage. And it's showing the 96, 97. We can get all these fun glares. Too many shiny things.
I'm still in the car! I'm still in your car! Watch out! Watch out!
Be careful.
You wanna ride? Hey baby, I'm gonna come pick you up. In my car.
Sure.
The panty dropper, huh?
Yep.
Now I can't turn. It's too skinny.
It's fun, isn't it?
It is, dude. You ride this every morning?
every morning when the kids go to school.